based on your survival instincts and also based on you acquiring or accumulating profits. I cannot guarantee you 100. Salute. How are you today, my friend? I do hope you are well. Today I'm shooting this video straight from the countryside. Today I'm in Nanyuki. I came here some few days ago for a family occasion. We were sending our grandma back to where she came from 104 years later. But that is not the reason for my video today. The reason for my video today is about you and what you're planning to do. Some 22 years ago, I got into business, and my first, let's say my first business, the business that I established was a kiosk selling some smokies and some snacks. This was in the year 2002, and the reason for me to start that kiosk was, the main reason besides making profits, was to survive. It was some 2 years after I completed my Form 4, that is my ordinary education, ordinary level education, I believe, and it hit me that my dad was not ready financially to pay for my college tuition, by the fact that he had two sons in school, as in we are three, and I'm the firstborn, and we have a secondborn and a thirdborn, and both of them were in school. And my father was working for the Nairobi City Council, Nairobi County Council now, and it is when I grew up that I understood the hustle and the tough times my dad was going through. And so he could not afford to pay for my college fee, and I figured out that it was now time for me to survive, and the way I could do that, besides seeking some menial jobs, casual jobs here and there, was to start a business. So my main reason in the year 2002 to ask for my friend for some 2,000 shillings and start a smoky selling business was solely to survive. And today I'm here to ask you, if you're planning to start a business, why are you planning to do so, and what is your purpose, and what is your main reason for you to start a business? You see, before I started my business, and when I got into the rhythm of business, I thought to myself that by the age of 30 or latest 35, I'll be a millionaire, and I'll be having some major businesses here and there. I'll have employed not less than 20 people, and I'd be touring the world, seeing different beautiful things and different beautiful people. But currently I'm 42 years old, a father of two, husband to one, deep in debts, and technically broke. This is after doing business for 22 years. And it was not until recently that I sat myself down and tried to ask myself, why after 22 years, at the age of 42, I cannot feed my family like I want. I cannot give them the lifestyle I believe they deserve. And why personally I cannot afford to do all the things that I had planned to do for me, for my family, and also for my friends. And so today I want to share with you my belief on why at the age I am in, with the experience I've had in business since the year 2002, why I'm here to succeed, why I am here to fully achieve my financial freedom or accumulate and acquire a substantial amount of wealth and riches. So if you're planning to start a business any day from now when you're watching this video, before you do, just watch this video in full. It is a short video. I'll make it a short video for you, so that I'll give you some homework to go and think and ponder, and also research on why you're starting a business. As I stated earlier, in the year 2002, I started my kiosk, a small kiosk. I was selling smoky sausages and some snacks. And this is after I asked for a friend to help me with some 2,000 shillings to start that business. And so my reason for starting that business was to fend for myself and to support myself in my life, in living in the hood. I was raised in Kawangware, and being idle in that part of the world is cliche, the devil's workshop. And so I figured out if I could place myself somewhere where I could keep myself busy and earn, I would avoid all what my other age mates and youths were getting into. To be precise, getting into drugs, small time petty crimes and such stuff. I managed to do that with that business. I managed to stay out of crime. I managed to stay out of drugs. I surely did manage to stay out of early pregnancies. Oh, not me getting pregnant, but me impregnating another young girl or woman. That I managed, and that was my why. That was my why for starting a business. And so today I'm here to share with you, if you're planning to start your business based on your survival instincts, and also based on you acquiring or accumulating profits. I cannot guarantee you 100% you will fail, but I can guarantee you that your chances of failure are way up there. 22 years later, after getting into business, I have figured out that if your sole reason and sole purpose of starting a business or getting into entrepreneurship is to only profit and make money, somehow you are bound to fail. I'm not a prophet of doom, neither have I technically failed, but I have a hashtag or quote that I say, hashtag success in my failures. I believed in me not achieving all that I thought I would achieve by now. I have to an extent succeeded, and my success is, for instance, this video. I'm acknowledging my failures and my shortcomings. I am acknowledging that after 22 years, I'm not as wealthy as I thought I would be. I am acknowledging that I cannot support my family as I desired to. I have not taken my son to the school that I thought I would have taken him. I am not living at a place that I do enjoy. My finances are down, a way off. I am in debts. In fact, I am seeking for employment out of this country. I'm seeking an opportunity to get out of Kenya and go to another country and seek employment for myself, so that I can be able to support my family the best way I can. And currently in this my country, Kenya, I'm facing such difficulties in my entrepreneurship journey, and I think the only way that I can support my family right now is to seek employment and have some sort of security when it comes to finances. Although that is not what I had planned for, but I think it's something that I can take for now, even as a plan for the next phase of my life. The next phase of my life will not be faced with financial difficulties as they are right now. I believe with the experience I have accumulated in the past 22 years, somewhere, somehow, my life is bound to succeed. My finances will be in order very soon. So back to the topic of the day, and back to my why I believe you not succeed in your business, or I believe your business will fail. If you're planning to start a business for survival, if you're planning to start a business for the sole reason of making profits, I think you should stop getting into business right now. Take a back seat, research 100% on why you need to get into business. I have figured out that
the number one
for
goal and purpose.
a business to succeed, or a business person to succeed, their sole purpose and their main purpose, their number one purpose, the top of the pyramid for any business that plans to succeed beyond financial circumstances, is a business that will solely focus on the customer. Yes, you may think I've stayed this long by solely focusing on the customer, but the only time I can remember that I got into business to focus solely on the customer was when I got into a partnership of supplying food at the Nakoma Junction. You see, then my friend figured out that the people at Nakoma Junction could not get their food at the place where they are working from, and so us taking the food to them was a problem we had noticed, and we gave them the solution. We took food to the place where they are working from, and so we saved them on time and money. And so if only we could have managed to stay in that business for longer, I do believe that business was bound to blow up. But it is what it is. The business went down, and I had to get back to my Ukweli products, now Ukweli Crafts. But lately, Ukweli Crafts has been performing dismally, and that's the reason I'm planning to quit entrepreneurship and get into business. And so back to my main video for today. This video I'm shooting, as I had stated, straight from Nanyuki. This is my parents' home. You can see it's a beautiful place. Nanyuki, in fact, is a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. I would vote for it. I would vote for it. I would advise anyone who has some money set aside to get a piece of land here in Nanyuki and just have a dream home here. I think it's a beautiful place. I just love this place. So back to you. If you're planning to get into business, please save your money, save yourself some pain. Get into business that will solve people's problem. Focus on that. Focus on the customer. Focus on the problem and bring the solution. If you do that, I do believe you will succeed. So that was brief for today. I'll share some more tips in the upcoming videos, and if you're still here with me, feel free to give me a suggestion on how I will improve my business before I get employment. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be able to share more organized videos and more explainers on many challenges in business and how I do believe that you can overcome them and succeed in your business. Meanwhile, subscribe, and let's meet in the next video. Salute!